Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Windows 11 and this morning I had a little bit issue. I don't know how it happened, but my system, actually I have SSD drive in this computer. So this SSD is 256 GB, is not that big, but my 25 GB of this C drive was being used by System Restore, and I don't know how it happened, but it was 25 GB. And if you can check your system also in the system properties, so here in the about we will find system protection. So here we have C drive. If you configure C drive, actually still is 16% of my C drive is allocated to system restore, and I'm using 30 GB. Actually 30 GB has been allocated to system restore. Right now my current usage is 6.3 GB, and this is not right. So actually if you need some space and your system is in good health, you can delete this restore points and you can create a new one. Right now my system is in a full good health, and I'm gonna delete this 6 GB also. Can continue, and that's it. So I have actually make 6 GB free from this action, and system restore is not using anything, so we're gonna decrease that also. So I'm gonna use, let's say, 4% of my drives um, space to this system restore. Gonna say apply, okay. I'm gonna say okay also, and that's how you save some and you make some extra storage space in your Windows 11. Thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.